The Meeting Notes Blueprint helps you plan your meetings and share notes and action items with your team. Click on the plus icon in the menu next to your profile and click Meeting Notes. Then click Next. Now, a dialog opens in which the name of the meeting, the date, attendees, the meeting type, and the goals for the meeting can be defined. Then click Create. A page will appear immediately and you can edit it before, during, or after the meeting. You can change the title of the page and fill in the meeting's discussion points. You can also add a practical task list.